In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to dynamically hide nulls in table calculations using Tableau. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you need to open the Tableau public app. If you haven't downloaded it yet, it's a free tool you can find online and it's perfect for data visualization. Once you've got it open, you'll want to access your worksheet where we'll be conducting our data manipulation and calculations. Now let's bring in the data. Begin by dragging your sales data onto the text area. This will display the raw sales numbers that we want to analyze and transform. Next, you'll drag the order date to the column section. When you do this, a prompt will automatically appear, allowing you to select a filter. Go ahead and choose the last 2 years. This filtering will narrow down our data set to make it more manageable and relevant. Our next task involves using table calculations. Click the drop-down arrow next to Sum Size Sales. This brings up an option called Quick Table Calculation. From here, select the year-over-year growth calculation. What we're doing here is setting up our data to compare each year's growth effectively. To give us more flexibility with our view, drag sales to the view area again. This repetition might seem unnecessary, but it helps in further steps where we'll manage our calculations and views. Now, click on Analysis on the top menu and choose Create Calculated Field. This is where we'll create a custom calculation to manage null values in our table. When the Calculated Field window opens, name your calculation appropriately so you can easily identify it later. For the query, you need to write a condition that handles the null values effectively. Once you're satisfied with your query, hit OK to create the field. You'll see this new calculated field in your data pane. Drag it to the columns, placing it just before the year, order date field. This positioning is crucial as it will help us format and filter our data columns correctly. Moving on, navigate to the sales drop-down arrow in the Measure Values field. From the options, select Edit Table Calculation, and then click on Specific Dimensions. This is where we can specify which calculations affect which data dimensions. You'll notice an option for Show/Hide. Choose this setting. After doing so, find the Hide column, right-click on it, and select Hide. We're getting close. Lastly, click the drop-down on the Show/Hide and unselect Show Header. By doing this, any visual clutter from unnecessary headers is removed, making your data presentation cleaner and easier to understand. And there you have it. Following these steps allows you to dynamically hide nulls in your table calculations in Tableau, creating a more streamlined and professional data visualization. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.